Up YouTube, it's me Isaac, coming to you with another edition of my life, or as I'm calling this video, RC test drive. Let's see what this thing will do. If I can get it back here. Crap. Crap. Demolition test drive. What do you guys think? Pretty sweet, eh? I got this for Christmas. And I finally got batteries for the remote and the car itself. It's hard to control and film at the same time. That's why it's only doing donuts and stuff, because I need both hands to control. But this is one of the coolest RC cars I've ever had. Well, this has been another edition of my life. I'm your host, Isaac Brummett. Please like and subscribe. Pretty sweet, ain't it? It's really hard to control because I need both hands at once and can't film and try it out by myself. Well, this has been another edition of my life. I'm your host, Isaac Brummett. Please like and subscribe. It's pretty cool because it's two cars in one, but I can't exactly flip it right now. If I can.
Well, yeah.
You guys do realize I'm still filming, don't you?
Yes. And yes. Isaac, if you want to know when to talk when you're filming, you don't do it in the living room. It's where people who are living go.
Weirdo.
Yes, everybody knows filming is for the dead.
Let me show you guys something really cool about this thing. It's two cars in one. There's the red side I've been showing you guys, and the white side, which is really cool. And this is the remote. This is the controller for it. It's got a pretty nice range when I'm using both hands at once, but I can't do that and film it at the same time. Well, this has been another edition of my life. I'm your host, Isaac Brummett. Please like and subscribe. Have a great day. Like and subscribe. Later, guys.